My people, welcome once again. This is Igbo-Daily TV. Here is a city of Owerri. You can see there are some developments that are happening in the city of Owerri. You can see this building, this structure. The structure was just erected recently. And do you know what? Do you know this structure is a woman? It is a woman that is erecting this magnificent building. This massive structure you are looking at is being built by a woman. Women this time around, they are doing something that is extraordinary. They are competing with men in terms of success, doing something beautiful, something extraordinary, something that is outstanding. You can see this edifice, this gigantic structure is owned by a woman. I don't know what she's gonna use it for. Maybe hospital, maybe hotel, maybe office, maybe something else. But the structure is very beautiful. When you have this kind of structure, 5 or 6 in this area, it will change the face of this place. And she built it in a good environment, in a nice environment. For her to get land here is not easy. This place she is building, this structure is a hot cake, and she sited it in a nice place. This is beautiful. This is very, very beautiful. Nothing beautifies a city like structures, beautiful structures, tall buildings. When you have a nice structure surrounding the environment, it makes that environment look very, very beautiful. Keep watching the video. You will see other beautiful, interesting places as you watch. Keep watching.